हेलो माय लवली स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज महिमा। वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। अब हम स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं एक्सरसाइज 10.2। सो इसका फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हम जल्दी से रीड कर लेते हैं। फ्रॉम अ पॉइंट Q, द लेंथ ऑफ द टेंजेंट टू अ सर्कल इज 24 सेंटीमीटर एंड द डिस्टेंस ऑफ Q फ्रॉम द सेंटर इज 25 सेंटीमीटर। द रेडियस ऑफ द सर्कल इज ओके। सो इसके लिए हमें एक सर्कल ड्रॉ करना होगा। सो आई हैव अ सर्कल हियर एंड आई विल मार्क इट्स सेंटर एज O. Okay, so now I'll take a point Q here. From this point Q, I'll draw a tangent to this circle. So this is my tangent and I'll label this point of contact as P. Okay, now it's given that the length of this tangent is 24 centimeter and the distance of Q from this center is 25 centimeter. So this distance is 25 centimeter. Now we are supposed to find the radius of this circle. Radius is OP. So we will find OP here. I'll label it as R. Okay. Now since PQ is tangent to the circle and P is the point of contact, we know the theorem that the tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. So this means OP is perpendicular to PQ. You can give reason over here. So this is theorem 10.1. This means angle OPQ is 90 degree. So this angle is 90 degree angle. This implies that triangle OPQ is right angle triangle. This is a right angle triangle, right? So I can use Pythagoras theorem in this triangle. So using Pythagoras theorem, what I'll have is square of hypotenuse equals square of perpendicular plus square of base. So what's my hypotenuse over here? So hypotenuse is the side opposite to the right angle. So my 90 degree angle is here and the side opposite to this angle is 25. So hypotenuse is 25. Now what's my perpendicular? My perpendicular is OP, which is R. And what's my base? Base is 24. So I'll write 24 square over here. Now let's solve this equation. So the square of 25 is 625 minus square of 24, which is 576. Now this difference is 49. R equals 7. So the radius of this circle is 7 centimeter. So option A is correct answer.